Good morning, student. Yes, today we will discuss multiplication of algebraic expression. Till now we discuss addition and subtraction. Now multiply. See, in multiply we follow some rules like this. Whenever we do multiply the variable or any numerical coefficient, numeric constant values, we check the sign. Both are positive and we are doing multiply, then in answer also we get positive. If both are negative, then also minus minus plus we get result positive. If any one is negative, then your result is negative. Minus x multiply plus y, then also it is negative minus xy. Suppose we take any value, suppose 5 into 3. We are not showing any sign here, it means it is positive. Then 5 into 3 is equal to 15. I take minus 5 into minus 3, then this is also plus 15. Minus minus plus. If we are doing multiply minus 5 into 3, then it is equal to minus 15, because minus plus minus. Minus 5 into minus 3, then also it is equal to minus 15. It means if we are multiplying both positive numbers, then we will get the result positive. Both negative number also we get the result positive. Any one is negative, then it becomes result is also negative. Okay, see. Now see the rules how to do multiply. How to do multiply monomials? Firstly we will check minus 5x multiply by, firstly we are taking positive number 3y. Both are monomials. 5x only has one variable, one term, it means it is monomial. This is also has only one term, it means it is a monomial. How to multiply monomials? For multiplying the monomials, firstly multiply the numerical constant, that is 5 into 3. Multiply, then multiply by the variables x into y. 5 3s are 15, both are positive, it means x into y, xy. Now do multiply this also, then it becomes 15xy is our result. Another example take. Suppose I take minus 6x multiply by 3z. Firstly multiply numerical coefficient, then multiply by literal coefficient. Minus 6 into 3, that is minus 18, according to our rule that any one is negative, then result we will get negative. Xz. Multiply, then your answer is minus 18xz. See, I am describing these steps because we are doing first time. If you know after practice, you can do directly here that it becomes minus 18xz. You can solve mentally and then can write here directly. Okay. Now see one more thing. Exponent everyone know. What is the exponent? one rule of the exponent we will study here, that if we are multiplying variable with different power or same power, then variable, it means this base, this is called base and this is called exponent or power. If base is same, then we take base, and is in multiplication, then we add the power. It means there is a result that x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. It is compulsory that base should be same here. Then we can add the power. If it is like this, x power m into x power minus n, then also it become x power m plus minus of n, then it become m minus plus minus minus m minus n. It means if the base is same, power different or same, we will check, then always add the power. Example take, suppose I want to do multiply a power 5 into a power 2, that become a power 5 plus 2, that is equal to a power 7. Suppose I want to multiply a square b power 3 multiply by a power a b power 4. Then how to solve? A, here power 2, here nothing, it means power 1. Then a power 2 into a power 1, same variable we do multiply, b power 3 into b power 4. Now it become 2 plus 1 multiply b power 3 plus 4, a power 3 b power 7. Then our result is a power 3 multiply b power 7. More examples we will take. Multiply or solve minus 9x power 3 y power 2 to 3x power 5 y power 2 z. See solution. Firstly we write minus 9x power 3 y power 2 multiply by 3x power 5 y power 2 z. First step, multiply numerical coefficient minus 9 into 3. Then x power 3 into x power 5, same variable, multiply y power 2 into y power 2 multiply, there is only z, so we write down z here. Minus 9 into 3, that is equal to minus 27. Multiply x power 3 plus 5 multiply y power 2 plus 2 multiply z minus 27 x power 8 y power 4 z. This is the answer. So this type we will do multiply monomials. Now see, if we multiply monomials by polynomial, it means multiply, we write down any polynomial, suppose 3a plus 2b by 6a. Then how to do? Firstly we write down monomial, then in parenthesis we write down binomial or polynomial. We multiply this monomial by each term of this polynomial or binomial. It means firstly we multiply 6a into 3a. Firstly we multiply this one, then use this sign. If we have any sign is here also, then we will solve. Otherwise we use this sign plus, or we can say there is nothing, it means this is already plus. Then plus multiply by plus, plus 6a into 2b. Now solve it. 6 3s are 18. A into A, nothing is there, it means power 1, it means A into A, plus 6 2s are 12, A into B. 18. Here see base is same, it means power will be added. 1 plus 1 we will write down A power 2, plus here both variable are different, so we can write down directly 12ab. So it means this is our result. How to do multiply monomial to the polynomial, or here we are taking binomial. Another example, see. Suppose I write down multiply 9a square b minus 7ab square by minus 6ab. Then firstly write down monomial minus 6ab. Then write down polynomial or binomial minus 7ab square. Now see, same thing. Firstly this term multiply by this term, minus minus. Now see the, consider the sign here, minus minus plus, it means we write down here plus. Then, or you can write down like this also. Okay, if you consider the sign already, then there is no need to take sign here, we write down only 6ab. Here we consider the sign, so minus into plus, minus, it means firstly we write down minus sign, then we do multiply 6ab into 9a square b. 6ab into 7ab square. We already solved this sign, or now we will consider only the term without sign. See here, minus 6 into 9. Firstly we will do multiply numerical constant a into a square, b into b. This sign is plus 6 into 7, a into a, b into b square. After doing the practice, you can skip this step and you can write down directly also. Minus 6 9s are 54. I am skipping this step and write down directly. Here a power nothing, it means 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. B into b, multiplication, b power 1 plus 1, 2. Plus sign, 6 7s are 42. A into a power 2, b power 1 plus 2, 3. Now see, is there like terms? No, because here a power 3 but here a power 2. Here b power 2, here b power 3. So these are not a like term. It means this is our result. Okay, if I'll ask that what is the degree of this polynomial? So what is the degree? Variable a and b here, power 3 plus 2, 5. Here also 5. Highest power, it means 5. The degree of this polynomial we can say, or binomial we can say, degree is 5. Okay, another example. Suppose I write down firstly write down monomial, then in bracket I write down polynomial. Same step, second step, do multiply by each term. Minus 5abc into 3a, minus minus plus, then 5abc into 2b, minus plus minus 5abc into 7c. Here see, minus plus minus, that's why minus come here. Minus minus plus, that's why plus come here. Minus plus minus. Now the same thing, minus sign, firstly do multiply this. I am write down directly now. 5 3 is 15. A power, a variable here 1, here also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. B is only here, C is only here, then it becomes term minus 15a square BC. Sign is plus. 5 2 is 10. A. Here b power 1, b power 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. B power 2, C is only here. Minus sign, 5 7s are 35. A, B, C power now 1 into 1, 2. Then this is our answer. All terms are different. That's why this is our answer. See another example. Suppose we want to solve with this. A square b minus c plus b square a minus c plus c square b minus a. Same thing, firstly we solve this. A square into b, this plus minus minus a square into c plus here b square into a minus plus minus minus b square into c plus c square into b plus minus minus ac square. Now see, is this our result? Check it. Any terms like term here? A square b. Then here a square c, a square b not here. Okay, this is single term. A square c. Also here only a square c, this is single term. B square a, also single term. It means this is our result. These are not like term b square c or cb square. B square c and cb square. Here, sorry, this is bc square. B square c. Here b power 2, c power 1. Here b power 1, c power 2. So these are unlike term, not a like term. So this is our result. Okay, we take another questions from your book. It is given to you a square b square minus c square plus b square c square minus a square plus c square a square minus b square. Now see this, a square multiplied by b square, both are different variable, then just to multiply, minus a square into this c, a square c square, plus this is also different, b square c square, plus minus minus b square a square plus c square a square, plus minus minus c square b square. Now check it, a square b square, any other term? Here see this term, maybe you write 2 into 3 or you write 3 into 2, obviously both results should be equal 6. Then maybe you write down a square b square or maybe you write down b square a square, these are both equal. This is positive a square b square and this is negative, it means we can do cancel out. Next, minus a square c square, and here see, this is plus, this is minus, then cancel out. B square c square minus b square c square, cancel out. If all cancel out, then our answer is 0. Last example we will solve now. X square into x minus 3y square minus xy into y square minus 2xy minus x into y cube minus 5x square. Okay, now check it, multiply, how to do? This is x square multiplied by x, same variable, both are positive, it means x power 2 plus 1, minus, both are different, so 3x square y square. If you write down y square x square, this is also right. Now see here, minus sign here nothing, it means it is plus, minus plus minus xy into y square, minus minus plus xy into 2xy. Next step, minus plus minus x into y cube, minus minus plus x into 5x square. Now see, this become x power 3 minus 3x square y square minus x y power 1 we take, then 1 plus 2 y power 3 plus 2 x power 1 1 1 plus 1 2 y 1 1 x y cube plus 5x power 3. Now see, is this solution? Check, no terms are like terms here. Here x power 3, this is also 5x power 3. It means these are like terms. So we add the like term, x power 3 plus 5x power 3 I write down. Next 3x square y square. Any other term? This one similar, 2x square y square. Now this one minus xy cube minus xy cube. So all 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 terms are here. Now check it. These are like term. It means take common x power 3. Or we can write down, whenever we are adding the like term, we add firstly numerical coefficient 1 plus 5, then we write down this variable. Next term minus 3 and this one plus 2. See, there are two ways to write here. If you are taking minus sign here or in bracket, take plus sign here, then this sign as it is take in bracket. Here also take plus sign, nothing is there, it means 1 minus 1 x y power 3. 1 plus 5 6 x power 3 plus minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 3. It means if I write down 3 minus and 2 plus, cut it, then remaining minus sign, it means I can write down this is minus 1 x square y square plus minus 1 both minus it means 1 or 2 minus 2 and solve it. 6x power 3 plus minus x power 2 y power 2 plus minus 2 x y power 3. This is our answer. Now all the terms are different, and now this is the simplest form of polynomial. If you do till here only, don't solve the like terms also, then it is not a simplest form. Whenever we get the answer, we will get our answer in simplest form of polynomial. Okay. Now your this exercise 5th B completed. We will solve some question also in next lecture. You try your exercise 5th B of your book and do all examples also in your pair notebook. Thank you.